why I love an e-bike. That thing is so steep. I don't think GoPro even puts it into perspective, just how steep it actually is. Guys, is there any jumps around here? Apart from that one?
There's flow line, like, you know the Broadstone Cemetery?
No.
Do you know Delford?
Yeah.
There's little jumps there. Like,
how little? How little are we talking?
They're not like, they're like that.
Oh, okay.
Like gaps and stuff. And there's like a big fly out jump there.
Okay.
Into a trail.
Sweet. Whereabouts is that way? So down there?
Like, you know the main road, like over there?
Yeah.
If you just go down, you should see some gates. Not
Okay.
the first gate, but the second gate.
Yeah.
Or
Sweet. Awesome.
if you find out what Broadstone Cemetery is, there's some good big jumps there.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, I'm still pretty like new to around here, to be fair, so just trying to find some like decent.
Upton Canyon, you know about that?
Upton Canyon. What is that, Upton Park?
It's like Upton Hill.
Okay. Yeah, I might have to have a drive down there one of the days. Oh Christ. It's like SJ Flux or something like that. Huh? Yeah, nice one. I've literally just changed over from, I used to do like sim racing and stuff like that, so like one of them weird days where it's really hot, but it is just wet as well. I'm just sweating. The rain is actually really nice. I think it's about 19 degrees or something like that today. But I'll get to my bike in a sec and just a little walk around with what I've got. Mostly doing it because when I went to buy this bike, there's not really a lot on YouTube, to be honest. And I'm pretty meticulous when it comes to buying stuff, so I like to actually do a bit of research and stuff like that. So, and there was nothing, there's absolutely nothing on this bike. I think I saw one YouTube short of a guy who he's got the same colour as this. I could have got it in black. I would usually get stuff in black, but I don't know, I just thought a nice little change would be nice. The reason why I've kind of changed over to mountain biking is because not pedal strike this, but I don't know, I should have just sent it, to be honest. That's fine. Yeah, so the reason I bought a mountain bike is because I'm like 32 years old now, and I'm just trying to get a bit of exercise. I used to do a lot of BMXing down the jumps and stuff like that back when I was a kid, and I don't really get to go out surfing much anymore, and I was kind of looking for a new hobby, but something where I can actually get outdoors and also get a bit of exercise as well. So I thought mountain biking would be a wicked idea, which I was correct. It is absolutely brilliant. I love it. I'm so happy with this bike. It is an absolute weapon. It's a lot more than probably my riding capabilities at the moment, but it is something that I can grow into, and I just kind of wanted to future-proof myself a little bit. But it is, yeah, it's more than capable of doing anything. I mean, it's a trail bike. It is a trail bike. It is a trail bike. It's just a beast. Like, I can't describe just how good it actually is, but like, it's so confidence inspiring just to do literally anything that you want to do. It's pretty capable of doing it, unless you're like sending Fort William or something like that, then maybe it might struggle a little bit. I don't know. But then again, I suppose if you're doing downhill stuff, you most likely want to get a downhill bike. But it is wicked. Yeah, I'll film it on my phone in a sec. I need to try and find a place that's not open to the elements, because it is absolutely pissing it down at the moment. I mean, that's what I get to see through my glasses at the moment. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Get to save a bit of petrol as well on nice days, riding to work. I've already done like 120 kilometers or something like that on it. I've changed to tubeless. That's like one of the first things I did, and I absolutely butchered it, to be honest. It was such a simple process, and I completely ruined it. I didn't realise that it's a free hub, so when I took the back off, I couldn't get the tyre to seat on the bead, so I was messing around with it, and then the cassette just fell straight off. So I thought I broke the bike instantly. No, it wasn't. It is just how it is. Popped it back on, got the tubeless sorted out. We're all up and running now. I'm running at the moment. Every single ride I'll go out, I'll make sure to just check my tyre pressure. Bloody hell, I can't even talk. Check my tyre pressures. Just kind of do a once over bike check type thing, bolt check, all that stuff. Which I'm kind of happy that I've kind of got into that sort of habit, to be honest, because there was actually a few loose bolts today. I had a bit of rattling around here. But it's really good with Canyon because, like, they pretty much give you the entire blueprint of the bike, and you know, it's even on every single nut and bolt you'll have like a little thing around the side saying how much it needs to be torqued up to and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty wicked. It's a fully capable bike. I love it. I actually love it. Oh, I've got such an itchy leg. But I just think, like, if you're gonna spend this much amount of money on a bike and you are looking at this, just make sure that you kind of do a bit of research into everything else as well, in terms of bike maintenance, e-bike servicing, even down to the little things such as the bottle cage on this. It's a proprietary bottle cage, which is really annoying. So I just had to buy one off Canyon. I can't just slap a standard universal bike cage on there, which is really annoying. you know, and there's just other safety stuff like helmets, and I'd recommend a pair of glasses, to be honest. I was riding without glasses for the first few weeks, and it was pretty horrific. So right, here it is. Canyon Spectral on CF8. Wicked bit of kit. Absolutely love it. The green is really nice. It doesn't really show it in the pictures, to be honest. On the Canyon website, it is a little bit more, I'd say, glossy. It looks quite matte, or it looks like a matte finish on the Canyon website, but it I don't know. I'd say it's about 50-50. So, but yeah, wicked bit of kit. If you're looking to get one, highly recommend. Love that little trail. It's pretty sweet. Oh, it's just so good. Like, it is just so good. If you boost off it. Lovely little burn there. I don't know if it's man-made or not. I like this one. A bit rooty, I haven't done it in the wet, so Sweet. Pretty happy with that. I got absolutely slapped by a bush though, so now I'm soaking wet. Whew.